Say goodbye to the chaos of messy folders cluttering your digital workspace. Imagine seamlessly organizing your assets with just a few simple clicks. Introducing a free browser extension that transforms file management forever. Compatible with Chrome, Opera, and Firefox, it's incredibly easy to install. Step 1 is to install the extension. It's quick and user-friendly. Next, simply download your ProductionCrate assets without any hassle. Watch in amazement as these downloads are automatically sorted in organized folders. Feel the relief of having every file in its rightful place at last. Should you encounter any issues, our support team is just an email away. Experience the joy of a tidier workspace and unleash your creativity effortlessly.